Welcome back everybody. So today in this video we are going to be making a lidded box from beechwood. We're going to start by getting it round using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. And now we've switched to the mid-size rougher. Now we're just going to start making the tenons so we can fit it into the chuck. And taking the detailer just so it matches the angles of the jaws. We don't want it falling out. And the parting tool just so we can take the lid and the bottom of the pot to separate them. To be able to do that properly, we are going to move the tool rest and we're going to take a saw to it and separate them. Just like that. Okay, so we've got the lid in the chuck at the moment, and we're just going to flatten it off first. And we're going to go in a little bit here, doing one part of it. Alright, so now we're going to hog out the inside using the number 1 hollower. Here's a mid-size finisher, just take out any ridges that might have happened. Alright, I've already done most of the sanding now, so we're going to start with 240 with cling spore abrasives. A little bit of methylated spirits just to clean the sawdust out of the grain. Some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There are some links down in the description to where you can buy this. You can get it from Axminster in the UK or from North South Custom Crafts in the USA. Like I say, links down in the description. You just buff it all in until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There we go. And now some Hampshire Sheen original Lustre wax. Just wipe it all over. Wipe it over nice and slowly to begin with. And then we're going to let the vapours evaporate. Spin the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200 and then buff it in. You don't want to push too hard, you don't want to wipe all the wax off. You just buff it in nice and slowly. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive. There we go. Lovely, lovely. Alright, so now we're going to work on the base now. We're going to start off by flattening the bottom. Okay, we've got the tool rest into position now, and we're going to start hogging some of it out with the mid-size rougher. We want to try and get that fit it as close to the lid as possible. Give it a couple of times to sneak up onto it, making sure not to make it too wide. We don't want it to have a loose fit. There we go. And now we're going to go into depth with a Forstner bit. Nice bit of slow-mo. Oh yeah. Okay, we're going to start by hollowing it out again. Rather than using the number 1 hollow, we're going to hollow it out using the rougher. So there we go, there's the mid-size rougher.
Drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
I finished the bottom of this exactly the same as I finished the top, so I didn't bother saying this. It was actually sanded to 240 with cling store, sanding sealed, Yorkshire gritted, and Hampshire Sheen wax as well. So there we go. So now we've got the two parts put together again and brought up with the tailstock, and we're going to start shaping it. So here's the rougher once again. I'm just going to start shaping the lid.
Nothing can break me. Trying to wake up from a dream. It's harder than it seems.
And we're just going to match the bottom with the top so there's no ridges. And there's the mid-size detailer. Now take out the inside of that lid, and there's the number 1 follower just to round off the top of that lid. I guess you call it the handle of the lid. There we go. Once again, already done most of the sanding, so it's just 240 grit here with clean spore abrasives. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Once again, links are down below. And we're going to finish it off with some Hampshire Sheen original Lustre wax. There will be some pictures at the end. I'd like to thank everybody for watching, and until the next one, if you could please give it a big thumbs up and show it your friends, show it your family and show it your enemies. I shall see you at the next video. Bye bye for now.
Cancelled all my plans to be with you tonight. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning.